Welcome to Morning Tai Chi Flow. This class is for all levels and is perfect if you want to improve your strength, flexibility, and balance. We'll begin by syncing the Qi. Breathing in, gather the energy, bring it into the heart. Send it down towards the earth. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sync the Qi. And then from here, the arms float up in front to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. Opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, floating down. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. All right, one more time, holding up the sky. And then from here, reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, the hands come together in prayer position, right in front of the heart. As you breathe in, the hands open out to the sides. As you breathe out, the hands come back together in front of the heart. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, the heart opening breath, sending energy to the heart and lungs. One more time, the heart opening breath. And then from here, the arms float down, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, floating up to the heart. This time, one hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, you can do a side bend if you like. Easing in nice and soft. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up. Push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner. The dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water. One more time, drift across. And the hands come together in prayer position. They float across the eye level, then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across, up high, in medium, and then down low. And then release, round out as if you're hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart as you step in. And then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Shift back as you draw the hands in, and then shift forward, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in. The palms face up as we scoop into the sea. The hands float up to the sky. They spiral out and away. Scooping under as you come forward and then lifting up as we become one with sea and sky. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, becoming one with sea and sky. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight and step in. Step out to the other corner, pushing the mountain. Really taking your time. Feeling the sensations. Bringing mindfulness to the body. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, the palms face up. Shift forward as you scoop into the sea. And then the hands float up to the sky. They spiral out and away. Scooping under, lifting up, and open. Becoming one with sea and sky. Connected with nature, moving mindfully. One more time. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the corner. And as you step out, the front knee bends, the arms open. Then the front knee straightens, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open. We call this the butterfly. Hinging from the hips, keeping your spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Just being kind to yourself, please. One more time on this side, the butterfly. Take a bow, spread the wings, cross the wrists, and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. Shift all your weight over, step in. Step out to the other corner, arms open, front knee bends. Front knee straightens, shift back as you cross the wrists. Hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward and open. The butterfly. It's like we're receiving and then bowing in gratitude. Cross the wrists and open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. Step the front foot back in, hugging the tree, and then step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, floating up to shoulder height. And then switching sides. From here, one hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising up, release the bow. Other side, the other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. This time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. We call this the archer. Other side. And just coming down as much as you can comfortably. All right, one more time, the archer. And then release the bow, circle the hands all the way around in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down. Drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. And shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart. Playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. And then step back in, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. And then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth, giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang, creating balance and harmony. Strengthening the legs, opening the shoulders. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Take your time, and the arms open. The hands float down, the fingertips point up, gently rotating to one side, One hand spirals forward, the other spirals behind. Coming back to center, turning the other way, making the tiger claws. Tapping into your tiger energy. Gentle rotation. Strong but graceful. One more time, the tiger claw. This time the hands keep on going, all the way up overhead. They spiral out and away, the upward spirals. Coming up just as much as you can comfortably. Floating down, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time, the upward spirals. And then reverse direction with the arms, coming all the way up and over, fingertips point down. Coming down the center, the hands spiral out and away. The downward spirals. Softening down towards the earth. Coming back up. Breathing. One more time, downward spirals. And then circle in front, hugging the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down. Then the back hand here is going to lift the moon into the sky. Palm faces down. As it drifts across, the other hand lifts the moon. Coming across again. One more time, lifting the moon. This time, both hands lift up towards the moon. As we gaze at the moon, they come across, other side. And once again, gentle rotation, just easing in. One more time, gazing at the moon. And then both hands float down, circle in front, hugging the tree. And the arms open, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other, and this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side. Breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front. Gather in the energy, bring it into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. The hands float down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen or just down by your sides. And you can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feeling the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, today is part of our free 7-day morning Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below, and I'll send you all the challenge details in the free clickable calendar.